Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Wealthsimple Invest. Wealthsimple Invest is a robo-advisor service that helps you invest your money automatically. It's targeted at individuals who want a simple, hands-off approach to investing, particularly those who are new to investing or don't have the time to manage their portfolio actively. Key features include automated portfolio diversification, low fees, and tax loss harvesting. Their website provides details on their various investment plans and fee structures. Wealthsimple Invest positions itself as a user-friendly, affordable option for automated investing. They highlight their low management fees, the absence of hidden charges, and their commitment to transparency. They use a sophisticated algorithm to create and manage diversified portfolios based on your risk tolerance and investment goals. Availability is widespread across Canada. You can check their website for eligibility details. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Wealthsimple Invest. Getting started was incredibly easy. The onboarding process was straightforward. I simply answered a few questions about my financial goals and risk tolerance, and within minutes, my portfolio was set up. The interface is clean and intuitive. Navigating the dashboard to check my portfolio performance, adjust my contributions, or view my tax documents was effortless. The performance has been generally positive, although, as with any investment, there have been periods of fluctuation. I was particularly impressed by the ease of increasing my contributions. A simple click adjusted my monthly transfers seamlessly. I had a quick question about tax implications one time, and their support team responded within 24 hours via email, which was excellent. A standout feature for me was definitely the automatic rebalancing. It kept my portfolio aligned with my initial risk profile without any effort on my part. One minor drawback was the lack of options for specific stocks or bonds. It's purely ETF-based. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Wealthsimple Invest. It's met my needs for a simple, low-maintenance, and relatively low-cost investment solution. That's my overview of Wealthsimple Invest. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.